What's up, glow girls? I'm back with another super simple glow recipe. For today's remedy, I'm using bananas. First, I'm chopping the banana with its peel into small slices because this makes it much easier to blend smoothly. Honestly, bananas are amazing for skincare because it's rich in natural vitamins and helps deeply nourish the skin. Bananas are also great for dry and dull skin because it gives a natural healthy glow over time. Now I'm transferring all the banana slices into a jar, adding a little bit of water and blending everything until it turns into a smooth creamy paste using a hand blender. Well, have you ever used banana as your skincare before? Look at that! The texture already looks so soft and satisfying. Okay, it's almost done. After blending, I'm straining it into a glass bowl to get a smoother texture because smooth DIYs also feel so much nicer on the skin. Honestly, simple homemade skincare can feel so relaxing sometimes. And a quick reminder, don't forget to rest properly too. Sometimes good sleep does more for the skin than those expensive skincare products. I'm taking one tomato and I will grate it really finely because fresh tomato juice feels so refreshing in skincare. Tomatoes are really amazing for skin look fresh and bright over time. Tomato is also great for oily and acne prone skin because glow while making dull looking skin feel more alive and refreshed. That's why tomato is a such powerful and simple ingredient in DIY skincare recipes. Then I'm using a soft muslin cloth to strain all the juice because we only need the smooth fresh liquid for this recipe. The fresh color looks so satisfying already. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of fresh tomato juice into the banana paste and mixing everything really well. Tomato juice may help refresh dull looking skin and support a brighter, healthier glow over time. And bananas are amazing for making the skin feel soft, smooth, and deeply nourished. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey and mixing everything again until the texture looks creamy and smooth. Honey is honestly so good for hydration because it helps the skin feel moisturized and fresh. It also helps give a natural glow and makes dull looking skin look more fresh and healthy over time. And just like that, our banana cream is finally ready. Now, I'm transferring it into a clean container for easy storage and daily use. I want you to rate this recipe from 1 to 10 in the comments. And now, I'm just applying a small amount on my hand. Oh, honestly, glow girl, the texture is so smooth and soothing. It feels so soft, creamy, and nourishing on the skin already. Alright, glow girlies, now it's time for a super nourishing banana oil. And honestly, this one feels so rich and luxurious already. This oil is amazing for dry and rough looking skin because it helps deeply moisturize and give the skin a soft, healthy glow. For this recipe, I'm first peeling bananas and cutting the peel into thin slices because banana peel is honestly so underrated in skincare. It may help make the skin feel softer and smooth over time. Banana peel is rich in antioxidants and natural nutrients that can help refresh the skin and make it look more healthy over time. It may help reduce dullness and give the skin a natural soft glow. Now, I'm adding all the banana peel slices into a glass bowl. Glow girls, don't forget to put those bananas aside because we're gonna use them in the next remedy. Now, I'm gonna add a green tea bag into the peels. Green tea is amazing because it feels super refreshing and calming on the skin. Make sure to like and subscribe, girls! Next, I'm pouring about 100 ml of olive oil because olive oil helps deeply nourish and moisturize dry skin. Quick question: which country are you watching from and how's the weather there right now? Comment below. Now, I'm giving it a water bath for about 35 to 40 minutes so all the ingredients can slowly infuse into the oil and release their natural benefits. Off from the stove, I let it cool down for a bit because we don't want to use hot oil, right? Once it's cooled down, I'm straining out all the banana peels and the green tea because we only need the infused oil. Since the banana peel is rich in natural nutrients and antioxidants, the oil may also help refresh tired-looking skin and support a natural glow. Banana oil is amazing for dry and dull-looking skin because it helps deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. Now, I'm transferring it into a glass jar to store it and easy to use. Applying a small amount on my hand using a dropper. It feels so soft, creamy and deeply nourishing on the skin. Honestly, glow girls, the texture is super smooth and so soothing. You can use this oil daily at night before going to bed. Honestly, glow girls, night skincare is the best self-care moment sometimes. So we're not wasting anything, glow girls, because we already used the banana peels for oil. Now we're using those fresh bananas for a mask. So I'm cutting those fresh bananas into small pieces. As we all know, bananas are really good for our skin because they are rich in natural vitamins and help deeply nourish the skin. So we're gonna mash those bananas into a really well smooth paste because bananas are amazing for hydrating skin. Just a quick question: what's your skin type? Dry, oily, or combination? Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ground floor and mixed everything really well. Ground floor is great for helping the skin feel cleaner and smoother, especially for oily and textured skin. Mix everything really well. Now, I'm taking a clean bowl and crack 1 egg carefully, separating the egg white from the yolk, because for this recipe we'll be using the yolk in the mask. Egg yolk is really amazing for dry and tired looking skin because it feels super nourishing and moisturizing. Adding the yolk in the banana mixture. Then I'm mixing everything really well until the texture becomes smooth and creamy. The consistency already looks so rich and soft. All these ingredients together makes this mask feel so nourishing, refreshing, and moisturizing on the skin. Now I'm transferring it into a separate container. You can use this mask twice a week onto the clear skin for a soft and healthy glow. Glow girls, which DIY did you like the most, the banana cream, oil, or the mask? Okay, glow girls, now I'm just applying this soft banana mask on my skin. It already feels so smooth and cooling. Alright, glow girlies, that was today's DIY skincare remedy. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support your girl. Bye bye!